Hello everyone, and welcome to another review here in Tucson, Arizona. This one, we're going to be reviewing the West 6th Street and the West 9th Street crossings, which are both in one crossing. And like I said in the last one, this is owned by Union Pacific and Amtrak Sunset Limited and Texas Eagle trains that run between New Orleans and Los Angeles. So let's get to it. For this signal, this is a Western Cullen Hayes gate mechanism and signal base, as well as LED lights and eval. And the 2-track sign shows that this crossing has 2 tracks. That is the emergency info, and the emergency info can be found right here at the relay case. And like the last crossing at West 7th Street, you got this sign warning you that there could be another train passing the other, and to watch out for it. That way going to Tucson Station, and also going to New Orleans. That way is going to Los Angeles. This signal has a Western Cullen Hayes signal base and LED lights. This signal over here has Western Cullen Hayes gate mechanism, signal base, and lights, which are LEDs. And this eval, as well as that one, are general signals evals. Try and cross the street so I can show you that one. Let's go. Here's this one without gates. This one has Western Cullen Hayes signal base, LEDs, and on the back of here, a no U-turn sign telling drivers not to make a U-turn around this crossing, as a train may be going at a high speed. And last but not least, this one. Western Cullen Hayes signal base, gate mechanism, LEDs, and got general signals eval, or a GS. But yeah, let's take one last overview before I end the video here. This is awesome. Well guys, that concludes the second video coming to you live from Tucson, Arizona. More reviews of Tucson crossings and station will be coming up soon. But anyways, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Yeah, as you saw, just as I was just leaving the area, I heard a horn and I turned around and the gates were going down and a train just passed by. So, yeah, that was a pretty cool catch. But anyways, I'm gonna officially end the video right here. So, see you all later.